My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. I am beyond excited for today's video. It is going to be my September Boxyluxe unboxing. Oh, I'm so freaking excited. This is my second time getting the Boxyluxe, and the first Boxyluxe, like, I was just like speechless. I was just so in shock at how many like awesome products I got. And yeah, so if you would like to see what I got for my Boxyluxe, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Alright, so Boxyluxe comes it comes 4 times a year: March, June, September, and December. And it's the $21 you pay for BoxyCharm plus an additional $28.99. So it comes to be about $50 altogether. But you get like over a $275 retail value worth of products. So let's see what we got. Oh my gosh. Alright, let me go in order. Oh my gosh. Okay, the first product, wow, is this Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette. Ooh, that's really pretty. So this retails for $29, and it says it has an equal number of mattes and metallics, so you can create the most fashion-forward neutral looks. Alright, I'm not mad at you so far. Alright. So the next product is this Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. This is 1.7 ounces, and it retails for $52. And it says it's a hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin's naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. Here is what it looks like. Okay, I've been using like the Ole Henriksen or the Honeymoon Glow, but I am definitely down to try a new sleeping mask. Alright, the next product is this Hank and Henry Blickety Black Eyeliner. Okay, I've never heard of this brand. This retails for $20. It's extremely long wearing and transfer resistant. I do like the point so far. It looks like a good size. I don't like it too thin or too thick. Alright, I'll definitely have to give that a try. Or I might put this in a giveaway because I do have a lot of liquid black eyeliners. Alright, the next product is, ooh, this Stila All Day Liquid Lipstick. And this retails for $22. It is 0.10 fluid ounces. I love Stila's liquid lipsticks. I think I have one down here. They are a really, really good formula. They're one of the very few like liquid lipsticks that I like. I like the Jeffree Star. I like most of the Anastasia Beverly Hills ones. I like the Stila and the Dose of Colors. Oh my god, that is so pretty. And this is in Patina Shimmer. I've been wanting this. Oh my gosh. I have the regular Patina, and I love it. So when I saw that they came out with shimmer version, I was like, yes, I'm all about that. Oh my gosh, how gorgeous. Alright, the next, product is this Tarte Park Avenue Princess Palette. I'm guessing it's a bronzing or contour palette. This retails for $45. Oh, I love, oh my gosh, this packaging is everything. Oh my gosh. Ooh, okay. this is really reminding me of like a Kat Von D like Shade and Light palette, but I mean almost a little better because you have more like bronzer and contour shades. It seems like there's two warm toned bronzer contour shades, and then we have two cool toned, so that is perfect. So this palette will work for everyone. And you have the two like matte powders you can use to like set your under eyes. Wow, I am super excited about this. Alright, the next product is this Sunday Riley Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. This is 1.7 ounces and it retails for $65. I actually saw this on the Sephora website and then I saw it was $65. I was like, never mind. So, an advanced brightening and refining treatment fused into a next generation water cream. Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream delivers an intense water drench with 2 forms of hyaluronic acid and tamarind extract, so your skin looks youthfully hydrated and plumped. Papaya enzymes smooth and exfoliate, while alpha arbutin visibly brightens the appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. So it definitely looks like a water cream, but it also has a creaminess to it. Oh my gosh, wow, that's really hydrating. Yeah, that's definitely going to give me some hydration. Some water creams, you know, can't give me enough hydration because of my dry skin, and those are more suited for like, you know, normal to oily. But this, oh my gosh, this feels like heaven. It has kind of like a weird smell, like cantaloupe or sushi. Don't ask where those came from. All right, the next product. Oh, we're almost at the end. I'm so sad. All right, we have this Moda 8-piece Pro Glam Set. Okay. I am always down for brushes, and I've really been liking the Moda and like the Farrah brushes that I've been getting from Birchbox and Ipsy. They have been really good brushes. Oh, and then it does show you on the back all the different types. All right, so I'll go in order. We have a powder brush. Oh, that is so perfect. That is exactly the type of brush I needed, actually. I was looking for one. Oh, perfect. Contour. I don't really contour, but I could use this for bronzer or blush, actually. Maybe blush since it has, you know, the angled head. This is the highlight brush. It got pushed to the side. Yeah, that makes more sense. Ooh, I think I'm really gonna like you. And then we have a smudger. Yeah, that's the smudger, not the shader brush. They got mixed up. Let me show you the shader brush. Yeah, that's more like it. And then we have a detail brush. Ooh. And last we have a brow brush. That is awesome. I am really excited about this. There's a lot of eye sets out there that like 2 of the brushes will be helpful and the rest of the brushes are brushes like you'll never use. You know what I'm saying? But this actually, I will use every single brush in that set. And this retails for $69.99. Damn. Alright, but they are good brushes, and you know, it's an 8-piece set, so alright, I'm really excited about that. And I'm also super excited about the next product. I've been wanting to get this for a long time. It is the IGK Mistress Hydrating Balm. And this is a leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh hair down. And I actually got a sample of this a while back and tried it, and I love it so much. I love the coconut oil gel too, but I can only put that on my ends or else it will weigh it down, but this does not weigh it down. So this is 5 fluid ounces, and it retails for $29. I really like all the IGK hair products that I have tried. So, alright, we're going to have to see what the retail value of this is. Alright, so the total retail value for my Boxyluxe box is $331.99. Like, girl. Yeah, it's you definitely can't beat that. And if anyone is interested, the box variation I got is 6L. Alright, let me know what you guys think about my Boxyluxe, and if you got Boxyluxe this month, let me know what you received in the comments below. I'd love to hear. And yeah guys, I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hey, dear Mrs. Bill Collector, I know you just need a job, don't mean to disrespect you, but we've been going through the same since way back. I told you when I get the dough, I will pay back, but I got problems, baby. If you only knew, I got bigger problems, baby. So why you talk about the money that I owe like as if I didn't know, man, it don't mean nothing to me. Right now I got my little boy crying and my grandmother dying. Could you please stop fucking with me? You see, I ain't got 20 tears, and my brother got a year, and my mama keeps smoking that shit. On top of that I'm broke. Please put that in your notes for the next, call me out tough in this shit.